Attorney Manscardio for drug smuggling. Hindi ko. Pero kung totoong drug smuggling sila, we should be prosecuted in court. And if convicted, they should serve sentence in jail. Hindi ko pigilan niya. Kung ano pa, kung totoo.
I told you.
Na-reason dito ni Your Honor, if there is an ayuda of truth, ayuda lang, maski puti lang, you can find out may nilagay siya ng record. Now, I'm willing to execute an affidavit kayo na lang to summon the fact or someone to my waiver. Kung may kukulang mag-iisa, I will hang myself in front of you. I will sign a waiver.
Okay.
I will resign and I will ask my daughter to resign and everybody in the family. That is my guarantee. And I will. Mr. President, yes, Your Honor.
Okay, let me try.
Nalilito na ako bang anong sabihin ko.
Okay.
Pero sabi ko, if I'm lying or if my statements are falsely stated, but there is an iota of
I'm gonna
magpipti ako.
sayaw with
So, in the same manner na kung magpipti ako itong si Trillanes, dapat magsabay rin sa akin.
Okay, duly noted of your thoughts, Mr. President. Former Senator Trillanes, you're recognized.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chairman. Ito po, ito po yung naging basis ko ng plunder case na pinay ko kay Duterte noong 2016. At ito po ay inimbestigahan ng Ombudsman at ang Deputy Ombudsman, Arthur Caranda. And I think they from them inviting siya ang nagkandak ng investigation. Humingi siya ng dokumento sa AMLA at kinonfirm niya. And because of that, tinanggal ni Duterte si Deputy Ombudsman. Now, aside from that, so pwede natin suggested by Chairman Paduano, may AMLA mismo, unless
Okay, bye.